In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subscription in Stripe. Setting up subscriptions is a fantastic way to offer your products or services on a recurring basis, and Stripe makes it straightforward to do just that. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you need to log into your Stripe account. Once you're in, head over to your dashboard. From the dashboard, look for the subscription section. You'll find this as a key feature within the Stripe environment, which is specifically designed to manage recurring payments efficiently. Click on the subscriptions link to get started. Next, you'll want to create a test subscription. This is an important step as it allows you to simulate the subscription process without any real transactions occurring. Test subscriptions are particularly useful when you're still getting familiar with the system or experimenting with how subscriptions integrate into your broader business strategy. So go ahead and click on the option to create a test subscription. Once you're in the test subscription creation area, you'll need to enter some key details. Start by inputting the customer's name. This is where you specify which customer the subscription is for. Then move on to filling out the subscription details. This step includes setting the interval for billing, choosing the right pricing for the service or product, and determining whether you want to add any free trial periods. It provides an opportunity to simulate various pricing strategies or trial offers you might be considering. You can also add products to the subscription at this stage. This is where you can specify exactly what the subscription includes, whether it's a digital product, a membership, or any bundled service that you offer. It's essential to ensure that your product selection aligns with what you've discussed with your customer or what you're promoting online. There's also an opportunity to add other details, including custom templates. Templates can be helpful if you want to personalize the subscription communication or add a specific branding touch that makes your service stand out. Don't rush this part. Thoughtful details can enhance your customer's experience. Once you have all the fields completed and double-checked everything, the final step is to hit the Create Test Subscription button. This will generate the subscription within the test mode and allow you to fully review how the subscription appears and operates within the Stripe environment. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily create a test subscription in Stripe. Take advantage of this test mode to experiment and perfect your subscription offerings before launching live to your customers. It's a robust way to ensure everything is functioning smoothly and that your subscribers will have a seamless experience. Thanks for watching and happy subscribing.